So if you follow along with us, you'll know that this is a volunteer watermelon plant. And it's loaded. There's 1, 2, 3, there's probably 4, 5, 6. There was 7 total, 6 are still on. There was one hanging in this area right here, and the dogs knocked it off. So we cut it open just to see what it looked like, and it was nowhere near right. So what I've done is, I decided, instead of wasting it, I decided to give the chickens as a treat. So, this is what's left. Me cutting it up, you can see they've already got some and they're going to town on it. They are just absolutely enjoying it. We can give them the rest of it. Because they do like their watermelon. So, and this is how you get volunteer plants. Give them the seeds too, because we're pretty sure that's how they came about. So, as you can see, they're enjoying it. And they take it right down to the rind. They eat just about the whole thing. So, there's ants all over me. Look, all over me. Where did it come from?
Well, you were bending down there when I looked out at you earlier.
So, if you like this quick video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell for notifications. So, we'll see you on the next one.